Hey guys, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. It's an exciting day for Pam and I. It's our anniversary. So guess what? We're going to experiment. Rather than cooking something we know works, right? But today we're going to be doing a couple of ribeyes on the Blackstone 17-inch E-Series griddle. So we're going to show you how we're going to prep the steaks and prep the potatoes. And now the potatoes are going to go in the oven. And we're even going to do some veggies. Got to have some veggies, right? Anyway, so let's get on with the anniversary dinner. Okay, to get started, we'll go ahead and just take some grapeseed oil. And we're just going to drizzle some grapeseed oil on our potato. And we'll coat it real good, like this. Then we'll put some salt on it. Let me get some salt on here. Just roll that baby in salt, like that. Isn't that cool? This is the way to do it. Pull the foil over this way, pull the foil over this way, give it a roll like that, and that's how you roll it, okay? Let's get the other one done, and we'll put these in the oven, 400 degrees. It's going to take about an hour. I'll show you the temperature when we get to it. It's going to be around 200. And it's going to be real soft all the way to the middle. And that's what we're looking for. And while these babies are in the oven, we're going to show you how to prepare our steaks. So give me a minute to get this done. We'll get the steaks on. Okay, the potatoes are in the oven. And now it's time to marinate our ribeyes. And I want to give you a little secret. This is something I do. You don't have to do this. But on the ribeye, there's this cap, okay? And everybody loves the cap. But it's held together by a piece of fat. So if you cut the fat off, then you lose your cap. So what I like to do is just take a little knife and poke that cap a little bit. And all I'm doing is just, putting some space in there so that my marinade can get in. All right, so I've already done that one. And now we're using Moore's Original. This is good stuff. If you haven't tried this, man, let me tell you, it is that good. So you only want to use maybe an ounce or two, and that's it. And brush it on, because you don't really want to soak your steak in it. You just want it to penetrate. I don't think you should soak your steak in it, okay? I've done it both ways, and to be quite honest with you, I think less is more. So you put a little bit on one side, flip it over, and do the other side. And you're not going to waste it by pouring half a bottle on and letting it, sit there and soak. So look, I used about an ounce, and the meat absorbed it. And believe me, it's going to give that meat some flavor. It's outstanding. And that's all I used. So that's going to sit for probably an hour until the potatoes are done, because it's only going to take a few minutes to get these steaks done in that griddle. So when the potatoes are finished, we're going to do these steaks, and we're going to show you exactly how it's done. The potatoes were in the oven for about an hour and 20 minutes. I checked them with this awesome Thermopen by ThermoWorks. They were right at about 205. That's perfect. We shut the oven off. We're going to leave them in there. It's not going to hurt a thing. The Blackstone E-Series griddle is set to 500. There's 2 lines of red. That means that it's almost to its maximum temperature, but we're going to check it with this little thermometer here, and it's up to 560. Okay, it's actually hotter than what it's supposed to be, but that's good because when I open the lid and put the steaks on, it's going to cool down. So let's go ahead and prepare our steaks. We're just going to put a little bit of pepper on each there, a little salt, not a lot. Pam doesn't like a lot of salt on her steak, just a little bit, okay? Okay, then we'll flip it over. And I'm going to dry it off a little bit. Little salt, little pepper. And here we go. We're going to, oh, I just put the pepper and the salt. Okay, it's okay. We'll get over it. And now we're going to open the lid, put the steaks on, and here we go. They 517, 512, 500, 489, 488. See, I knew the temperatures are going to be dropping. We're down to 480, 475 right now. So what I'm going to do is close the lid, try to reserve as much heat in there as I can. And we're going to time it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we're going to flip it. We'll let you know just exactly what happens. Timer. And here we go. Stop. Okay? And what we're going to do is flip these babies over. Wow, look at that sear. We're going to go ahead and let this go for another 2.5 minutes. We're going to check the internal temperature. It should be just right. About 130 degrees, 150, and we'll let you know. And here we go. Wow. Okie dokie. Well, I'm going to take a temperature reading. Let's do that right now. It's 150, 154 actually. So that's probably done a little bit more than what we wanted because I know Pam likes her steak medium rare, and that's not medium rare, but it's going to be perfect for me. So I'll just eat both of them. No. She'll be okay. But we're going to let them rest. And so you know what that tells me? That I could have gone 2 minutes on each side and it would have been plenty. But that is beautiful, and they're going to taste great. So let's get the potatoes out of the oven, show you guys how that's going to look. The potatoes are out of the oven. The steaks are done. The veggies are ready. Look at that, how pretty. Pam steamed us up some broccoli and cauliflower, put a little cheese on it. What a great anniversary dinner. So I'm putting that knife right in there. I'm going to give it a little push. Oh man, it's so soft and fluffy on the inside. It's amazing. So what we're going to do now is throw a little butter, a little pepper, a little salt, a little sour cream. Oh man, look at that. And a little cheddar cheese for topping. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. That's going to be perfect. Well, let's not forget a few really good bacon bits. These are real bacon bits, not the artificial ones, by the way. So, that potato is loaded and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and get our steak out. Put the steak on that plate. Let me get a little veggie here. I love steamed veggies, and I like them with a little cheese on it. This is our anniversary dinner. Happy 38th to Pam and I, to the Sanders Kitchen. So let me go ahead and dig in a little bit here and see how it looks. It's a little pink on the inside, by the way. That is beautiful. Pretty good, Blackstone. The potato is super creamy. Probably one of the best baked potatoes I've ever had. Anyway, we want to thank you guys for tuning into the Sanders Kitchen. Pam and I really appreciate all of you, all of your comments. We love you guys. Share our YouTube channel with your friends and your family. It would really mean a lot to us. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Anyway, go get you some steak, some potato, and some steamed veggies, and have a great weekend. God bless you guys.